Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make a Lafutaro Paknam or banana flower Paknam. Here are the ingredients: banana flower, coriander leaves, lemon basil, roasted ngari or fermented fish, dry turmeric leaves. If fresh is available, use the fresh ones. Besan or gram flour and some spices: turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, ginger paste 1 teaspoon, cumin seed half teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, haribop 6 small pieces, cumin and coriander powder 1 teaspoon, spring onion few leaves. Let's chop all the ingredients. Here I have chopped banana flower in this way and use 1/3 of medium sized banana flowers. First mash the ngari, then mix with the chopped ingredients. Here I left out the coriander and basil for later use. Mix it properly. Mixing is the only effort you need to take to make this dish. Others are very simple. Now we will add all the spices. Mix and squeeze well. Add salt to taste. Mix and squeeze again till they are softer and release water. We will add 5 teaspoons of besan. Again we will mix it well. Paknam is one of the famous side dishes for Manipur. It can be easily prepared at home. There are various types of Paknam. One can be made from banana flour, hooker chives, kanglayan, or from fish eggs. Add coriander and basil, then lightly mix them. We will spread the dry turmeric leaves. Put, mix and spread on the leaves. If fresh leaf is available, use the fresh leaf, it is better. By wrapping the turmeric leaves, it gives an awesome aromatic and typical taste. Then wrap it properly. We will again wrap it with the aluminum foil. Normally we use banana leaves. Since they are not available, we replace them with aluminum foil. Heat the tawa and roast it for 15-20 minutes on each side. Put some heavy stuff on top of it. Here I have used utensil with water. If you have, you can use some flat stone also. Time will depend on the thickness of Paknam. After 20 minutes, flip and roast for 20 minutes again. We can press and check the hardness of the Paknam. You can adjust the hardness to your liking. Check on both sides. If it is soft, then you can roast for more time. Here it is perfect. Let's remove the leaves. Lafutaro Paknam is ready.
If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share with family and friends. Bye bye guys, see you on my next video.